Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Banu, and if you're new, hi. And so yeah, today the video is going to be about how to apply one lipstick in different shades. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So for this, all you have to need is a dark color lipstick. I'm taking this Nika Malt Wine, a dark wine color lipstick. You can use any red lipstick or dark red or dark pink lipstick to create these different shades from one lipstick. So yeah, the first shade is a light color. I'm just taking the lipstick and topping it off on my lips lightly, and I will spread it on my lips by using my finger. So create a light, slight and subtle tinted lips. So this is my first shade, which is a subtle and light color lips. So for creating a second shade, all you need is take a lip gloss, clear lip gloss, and just top it off on your lips, and that's it. Light and subtle glossy lips are ready. So this is my second shade. So for third shade, I am taking off the lip gloss which I have applied on my lips, and then I will take the lipstick and I will apply directly on my lips darkly. That is, I am applying it as usual as a lipstick, so it is one of the shade, right? So yeah, this is the third shade, the true color of the lipstick which I have used. So for fourth shade, I'm taking the finger again, which I have used the trick on the first lipstick application, and I will spread the lipstick in my lips, so it will create a smooth and subtle lips, not being harsh. The color will get neutralized on the lips. So yeah, this is the fourth shade which I have created from this lipstick by. So for fifth shade, I am just taking the lipstick again and I will apply on the lips darkly once again. To create from this, we are going to create a matte lips. For this, I am taking the Lakme loose powder and a brush and a tissue paper to make the lipstick look matte. So what you have to do is take the tissue paper and apply it on your lips, top on your lips, and with the help of brush take the powder and top on the lips lightly. If you're not satisfied with the color, you can also use your finger and just dust off the excess on your finger and just apply it on your lips, which I will show you in a bit, to make the lips look matte. As you can see, I'm applying powder lightly on my lips and I'm pressing both the lips together to make it look matte. Make sure that you're not applying too much of powder because it makes your lips patchy. So yeah, apply the limited amount to make it look matte. So yeah, this is some matte lips which I have created from using this lipstick. for sixth, I'm removing all the powder which I have applied on the lips, and I'm removing it with the help of tissue paper. As I'm showing in the video, you can also remove like this. Then I'm topping it off with my clear lip gloss, and which gives you a juicy, glossy and beautiful powdered lips. And it is also a super and dark tinted glossy lips. So this is the next shade which I have created. So for seventh shade, just remove the excess lip gloss and let the lips be, and that's it. The seventh shade is ready. So for eighth shade, I am removing all the lipstick on my lips. As you have applied this dark color, it will give you a stain on the lips. So yeah, there is no need to apply lipstick. Just top it off with the lip balm. Any lip balm you can use. I am using Baby Lips lip balm, as you are seeing. And that's it. The final lip shade is ready. You can use these tricks to wear dark color lipsticks. So yeah, these are the lip shades which I have created by using a single lipstick. So that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, honeys. And so yeah, let's meet in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.